Hey guys, happy 2020. It's a new year, which means we need to get lit with these new shades. Right now, I'm putting the lip gloss base into there are like these little sample cups that I got because when I'm experimenting with new shades, I don't want to make a bunch of gloss at once because if I don't like the shade or something like that, which usually never happens, but if the shade is not something I want to sell, then I don't want to have wasted a bunch of gloss base, which is pretty expensive on that experiment. That makes sense. So yeah, I'm getting this shit popping, and then I'm gonna go in with the shades. Now I'm going in with my organic oils. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what oils I use. Just Google like oils that are good for your lips, and you'll see what oils there. But I will tell you, this is a sweetener oil. I've used other people's lip glosses that are homemade, and when I lick it, it tastes like medicine. Like it just even like when you go to drugstore, certain brands their lip gloss tastes gross. And I know you're not supposed to be able to eat lip gloss, but I like having that sweet aroma on my lips. So I put sweetener oil in all my glosses. I put only a tiny bit because it doesn't need that much. It's pretty strong, but it really helps differentiate the scent from other lip glosses. And now I'm just mixing in that oil to get the perfect consistency. Cause when you put this in your lips, it's like a whole new bitch. Let me tell you. Cause like I use it at nighttime. I use it during the day. I use it a lot. So I definitely know what consistency I want at this point and how I want it to look and feel. So this shade, guys, is actually MIXXXY. I first started selling this shade when I first launched my gloss business, but then I wasn't able to get the same glitters, like the iridescent blue glitters. So this is a revamped version of MIXXXY, and now it has a tiny bit of holographic glitters, but it's mostly a clear gloss, which is great because I don't really have a clear gloss right now. So if you like clear glosses, you'll definitely love MIXXXY. And then the other shade I'm gonna be making, well, the other two shades I'm gonna be making are gonna actually be more tinted shades and are not gonna be clear. So I was like saying to myself, what shade do I really want that I don't have, but I feel like other businesses don't have right now? And I was thinking of blue. I love blue right now. I have blue nails. I want to dye my hair royal blue, a wig. So I'm feeling like the blue vibes. So I decided to go with this royal blue color and name it Blue Ivy after Beyonce's daughter because I just feel like it was the perfect name to go with this. And this gloss is super moisturizing and it's perfect for dry, cracked lips. You can use it as a moisturizer or to top off any makeup look. Now I'm putting in the scent. This gloss is actually blue raspberry scented. It smells so good. Um, like the thing I love about my glosses is like I feel like I can eat them. That's how I feel like lip gloss should smell. Like lip gloss should not have like this chemically factory produced smell. Maybe it's just me, but I don't like that smell. I like for it to smell like really either fruity or like really good. I think a good example of this is NYX Cosmetics glosses or NYX. Their glosses smell really good, but they all have the same scent, and I kind of like just having different scents. So, if you guys want to purchase this gloss, you can do so at jjuheardcosmetics.com. We have sales all the time, so make sure you sign up with your email on our email list so you can get those exclusive deals. Now I'm just filling up the tube. You want to go side to side and you want to lift it all the way up. I actually have tutorials on how to fill up your lip gloss tubes on my channel. So if you want a step-by-step guide on how to do that, just look on my channel for those videos. And I just, like I said, these tubes are so much easier to fill than the fancy ones. I don't know why. But also I feel like I've gotten better at it. I've practiced constantly, so I know what to expect now and I don't really mess up the way I did when I first started. So that's a plus. This shade is MIXXXY. MIXXXY is cotton candy scented with light holographic glitters, as I said before, but it's definitely more of a clear gloss. You barely see the glitter. I mean, you do in the tube on your lips, you don't really see it. And like I said, I don't have any other gloss like this, so I felt like it'd be the perfect addition to my collection. Now we have Trap Mommy. Trap Mommy is actually one of my best sellers as far as my lip gloss goes, and everyone loves it. Like, it's the perfect pink for any shade skin tone. So, it's pink lemonade scented. It smells amazing. And I always lick it off my lips to eat it, but I don't recommend that you do that. So yeah, if you guys want to purchase that, you can go on my website and do so. Let me know how you like the final product. Last but certainly not least is Chun Li. I was struggling back and forth with what to name this gloss. I wanted to go with Sangria because it reminds me of sangria kind of. I wanted to go with Moscato. But I really wanted to stay true to my brand aesthetic, and that's trap music, trap culture, hip hop culture. And Chung Li just, I don't know. Chung Li is like the perfect name for this gloss, so I felt like it just made sense. Let me know what you guys think in this comment. And this is a sheer red bluish gloss. It goes on very sheer, So it's the perfect gloss for any skin tone. And I definitely recommend it. It's also strawberry scented. So make sure you cop that. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And leave a comment below as to what shade is your favorite. Bye!